Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. Today I'm going to show you how you can download and install the KuCoin application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store, depending on your device. You can then tap on the search button and just type in KuCoin and start your search. Once you find the KuCoin application, just tap on it and you will find the install button. Just tap on the install button to begin the download and installation of the KuCoin crypto trading platform. Once the installation is completed, you will see the open button. Just tap on it and then agree with the terms and conditions. And this will now take you into the homepage of the KuCoin application. You can now proceed with signing up or logging into your account to start using the platform in order to trade your crypto. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the KuCoin crypto trading platform on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.